course, with a capital yes, guys. I love money.
God, you keep on blessing me, and you keep protecting me, even though I don't always do the right thing.
Hey guys, it's your girl Ucudisa girl, and I am back with another super dope video. Guys, guess what? Your days of wondering, who is this gorgeous, talented, talkative, yummy young lady on this red app are gone? Because what? I am here to answer each and every question that you have about me. Guys, it's a get to know me better video. Let's get right into it. I hope you enjoy. Okay, guys, the first question is, who are you? Your real name. Guys, most of you think that I'm Cudisa girl. And other people, guys, mabanbona bayankwaza, Cudisa girl. Guys, my real name is Siyasanga Qhinga. Ucudisa girl is my brand name, guys. It means go beyond your limits. That is my brand name, guys. Okay. Then the second question, it is 3 in 1, guys. It has 3 questions. Do you have a nickname? Are you Xhosa? Do you love money? Oops, guys. It's a yes, guys. Yes to all the 3 questions. Yes, I do have a nickname. Yes, I am Xhosa. And of course, with a capital yes, guys, I love money. Guys, show me one person who doesn't love money. I won't mind, guys, ukumlandela every day, picking up that money, because that person will be literally throwing the money because yena akayithandi, guys. Guys, no. Sanosifilisa bad, guys, ngothanda imali, siyithanda sonke. We all love money. Let us be honest. Anyway, guys, let's go to the third question. What do you love most about yourself? Guys, I love the fact that I am a very respectful person. But guys, that comes with conditions. I give you what you give me. So that means your approach, guys, will determine ukuthi wena nizokutreata kanjani. If wena ucimafana ba uzokhwela uzehlela kumsana, guys, nizokunikeza exactly that mina qala sana anithanga nqa. So another thing I love about myself is that I am a very kind person, I am open-minded person, and I'm also a sincere person. Guys, you would never go wrong. I am very sincere, guys. Ndilento unibona ndiyo namhlanje nangomso nanini na usezongithola ndinje. Most of the people are always saying I'm a very joyful person, ngihlala ndi-happy, ngathani ngumuntu oqumbayo, ayingumuntu ocaphukayo, and which is, I think, ndiyacaphuka but ndisheshe ndibe right, guys. I'm that person ozokwata ngoku, and within a space of minutes already sendi-right, ndiyigqithisile. I'm like on the next item nje. Next item, please. Okay, the fourth one is exactly the same as the third one. It says, describe yourself in 3 words. Guys, I'm a very positive person. I am a very genuine person. I am a very open-minded person. Guys, I'm very flexible. And but anything positive is a upper sana. And I would love to believe that I'm also having a sense of humor. Yes, guys, I also think that. And I'm a very bubbly person, guys. I'm a very, very, very bubbly person. Trust me, if you know me, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then the 5th question is, when did you start YouTube and why? Guys, if I'm being totally honest, I've started YouTube, I think, 2 or 3 years ago. But when I started YouTube, it was as good as Mauqala or Facebook or WhatsApp or TikTok and what, like guys, you're just starting nje kune social media ekhona, you're just putting nje uyenza nje kuphela guys, you don't have any intentions about it. That was me guys, I didn't have any intentions about it, I didn't know anything about it, I was just downloading nje i-app nje, i-app. There were no intentions, yabo. And then kwahamba ixesha, and then I started watching ama YouTube videos abantu, ama vlogs ini. And then one day, I think somewhere last year, then I heard people talking about money, YouTube money. Yo, guys, talk about money. You will see me then. So when Kudisa, guys. Tungumama kanana ndiyangena. Ndithi sana ndathi nethi ndiva kuthiwa money, ndathi money or what? Yeah? Did you just mention money? Did you just mention amashankura? Yo, guys. Not me ke sana ndiba invested last year, I think around October. Hayi ke sengiqala umthathela phezulu uYouTube, sengiqala ke sana ukulanto uku-uploada, ukushoota, and I was very intentional now about what I'm doing, like into endizishootayo, how I'm editing, and then the phone that I'm using. You see, like guys, because of money now. Because of money, and I started like having ama goals nama plans ukuthi okay, now I'm planning to have YouTube for imali, and when do I want to be monetized, and so I started being intentional. As we speak right now, every week on Sunday I'm uploading a new video, so I think I'm still doing well in terms of that, even though I haven't got monetized yet. But there is light guys, because I've already like hit 1,000 subscribers and already hit 3,000 watch hour. I think I'm working on the 1,000 watch hour now. So yeah, that is me and YouTube. Do I am no YouTube girl? Who is your favorite YouTuber? Guys, I don't have one, I don't have two, I have many. Like many. Like, yo guys, I love certain people for certain reasons on YouTube. Like I will just mention a few. I love Lerato Nxumalo, I love Minenhle. Is it Lamini or I can't remember, but Minenhle or Mini. And then I love Kanye Cakes. I also love Gugu_Snare. And I also love Big Nance. Guys, I'm so addicted with videos is got Big Nance lately, guys. I just love Big Nance, and happy birthday because she was birthdaying a few days ago. And then I also love Kim no Tanaka. Guys, I loved Kim and Tanaka because they are a true reflection that YouTube, guys, is the girl that she thinks she is, guys. YouTube uyabhatala, guys. Aba bantu sibabukele phambi kwamehlo wethu betransformer. Yabo? Sababona conditions ebebehlala kuzo prior, samva ulantuka uTanaka ethethe ba ebesebenza kanjani kwathini. So I do love them for different reasons, ne? And then number 7, how do you handle criticism or negative feedback? Yo, guys, I'm still working on that one, guys. I don't want to lie. I'm still working on that one. I'm not good yet, but I am working on it. Firstly, guys, I always tell myself, you know what? This is not about you. This is just not about you. And secondly, guys, I take time and think about it. Okay, sifike njani apha, what is happening, kwenzekani? Even if I can see, guys, but ndiyaboila, but at the same time I tell myself, you know what, sifike njani, is there any chance of improving, and is this thing ekuthethwa ngayo worth your time, worth your thoughts and everything? If it worth my time, guys, I work on it to improve. But if I can see uba le into ayinonto kwenza nam, guys, le into nje kukulandelelwa nje okungathanga chu, ndiphuma kuyo, guys, I just ignore it. And then yeah, that is how I handle it. And then, do you have kids? Guys, ndinabantwana. I do have kids. I have 2, girl and a boy. Yes, I do have kids. And then, are you married? No, I am not married, guys. And then, what is your biggest fear? Guys, yo, let me drink to that one. Yo. Guys, my biggest fear is to sleep and never wake up. Yabona, guys, that is my biggest fear. Because now, who is gonna take care of my kids? What is gonna happen to my kids? How are they gonna grow up without me? Guys, yo, Hashem na andazi. Mhlambi, I'm having a fear of the unknown, but guys, yo, I can't imagine dying. I just cannot imagine dying. Not now, not ever, guys. No. That is my biggest fear, guys. Ndiyakubona uluza umsebenzi, like losing your job and stuff, but dying. Wow. Do you have siblings? Yes, guys, I do have siblings. I have a sister, and then I also have 2 brothers, and the other brother has passed away. You remember that other year, I think 2 years ago or 3 years ago, I did update you guys that my brother has passed away. The very beautiful and handsome brother that I had, guys. Ojimai is Gonzonso City Sana, guys. Into efunwa ngamantombazana left, right, and center. What a waste, guys. What a waste. But yeah, God's plans are God's plan, guys. So yes, I have 3 siblings, guys. 1 is no more, and then I'm left with 2. And then question number 12. What is your favorite color? Guys, yazini, I don't really think I have a favorite color. Guys, any color that attracted me in the store, I am taking it. Today, I can be attracted by yellow and white. Tomorrow, I can be attracted by red and blue. That other day, I can be attracted by khaki or dark brown. Like, guys, Nashem, I don't know ukuthi umuntu uyenza njani decision yokuba nekhala ethandayo, because wow, like wow, kumsana kunzima, I can't choose. Nini ndinxiba upink, nini ndikucheck. So I do not know, guys. At some point I didn't like white, but at this point I love white. So I don't think I do have a favorite color, guys. No. What is your favorite meal? I kaloku is seafood. Is seafood, no, is seafood. I love seafood, guys. If seafood it was cheap, I was gonna eat it every week. If it's possible, every day. I don't get tired of seafood, guys. I love seafood, Shem, with all my heart and soul. And then number 14. What do you enjoy doing on your spare time? Traveling. Guys, I love vacations, traveling, sana, to reset my mind, guys. If it was about me, guys, or if it was for me, guys, bendizo travela each and every, after 3 months, guys, I'm traveling. I am exploring. I am seeing a new city. I am seeing a new country. Guys, nje, if it was for me, nje, it would be traveling. Just traveling, guys, traveling. Seeing new things, seeing new world, and. Another thing I love to do on my spare time, guys, obviously, just to be in social media. Just be in social media, guys. Ngibek social media nje. Ngibukela abantu and learn new things, and then see trending things, and that is what I love most. Air shopping, guys, or window shopping. Count me out, guys. I'm not a window shopper. If I need to go and shop, I just go and shop. Buy whatever I want to buy and come back. Window shopping, not my thing. Number 15. What would you advise your younger self? Yo, guys. Yo, this question is as good as what would you change if you would go back to your teens life? Something like that, guys. Guys, I would say to my younger self, one thing for sure, put yourself first. Just put yourself first. Your feelings matters more than any other person's feelings. You put yourself. And the second thing, do not run or rush for abafana. Do not fall pregnant. Ungamithi mntase ungenamali. Ungamithi ungenamali. Do not do that mistake of being pregnant while you are broke. Yabona yomshado nani ndiyayibona, but xa ungenamali ungamithi sana. Don't. Another thing is trust your instincts. Guys, there are so many incidents whereby instincts zami zinixelela uba don't do this, ungayenzi. Ndityhudise sana ndiqinise intloko ndiyenze, and guess what? Sure, ndiyatya ke engxakini sana just because I did not want to listen to my instincts. And the last one would be, it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay. Stay in your lane. Your time is coming. Your time is unique. It's not attached to any other person's time. What another person is doing next door doesn't mean you must also do it. Just stick to your lane. That's another thing I would teach my younger self, guys. I would teach my younger self, because we find ourselves under pressure sometimes. This is totally under pressure. Guys, it's okay to stick to your lane. And the 16th question, guys, in the video, 16th question is, another last thing I would also teach myself. It is okay to apologize. You are not a fool. It is okay. You are just making peace. Guys, I'm struggling with the apology. The apology part, guys. They are round and ndit. Apologize. And then number 16. Which country would you wanna see? Definitely USA, son. If not USA, then it should be Canada. If it's not Canada, guys, then it should be Dubai. Let me just go to Dubai, guys. Let me just... Bonintaba said Dubai, guys. If it's not, then it must be US. Hey, guys. Anyway, what are your best memories in life? Guys, my best memories in life, one of them, guys, was me graduating, guys. Guys, there is no feeling that can be more than a feeling. Sana yokuzibona uqabela stage igama lakho libizwa pha. Ungabelieve libizwa ngumlungu okanye libhulu sana kusithiwa nje siyasanga khwinga. Kuthi melter, guys, kuthi melter. And there is no other feeling like i-first salary. Ithi ting ting. Guys, ufile ngathi kuphazanyiwe kukho umuntu ebesenza i-transaction wayisenda kuwe by mistake. What do you mean this money is mine as young as I am? Guys, those are my best memories, guys. Those are my best memories. And then also, okay, guys, ukubamba umntana for the first time. Guys, those ones are priceless, guys. Umntwana wakho makafika, udoctor azokunikeza, and then you just have to look at that cute little thing. Kuthi ndim ndonke lo. Like i-production yamle. Wow. Guys, but andithi zalani, guys, andithi zalani, please, I'm not promoting it, but that moment, guys, ulibala zonke ingxaki zakho sana. And then number 18, if you would win lotto, what is the first thing that you would do? Guys, andifuna ukuxoka sana, andifuna ukuxoka, kuthiwa amaXhosa ngamaxoki, andizuxoka. I would definitely go to America. I'll just fly to America, guys. Ndibambe nje ilotto up. Ndingafly ndiye-America sana. Ndiyocinga okutsha uba ndizayithini imali yam zokwenzani. But one thing for sure, guys, ndingayomenza uqhutsu wempundu. One thing for sure, guys, ndingayozithi impundu zam, ndingayozilifta ndizithi sana zithi. Zibe ngathi i-dumbling sana zithi qhutsu. ugqiba kwam ndithi mabele wam sana ndiyowaredyusa kancinci sana ugqiba kwam ndiwathi ndibe intombi nto. Then ke guys singayithethe investments ke sana ze-property ba okay ke ngoku mandithenge indlu ndizorentisa and ke from there I will take it from there. But i-honest truth yile ngqobo ithetha sana ukuthi ndingaqala ngokuthi trip ndisithi vacation ndiyocinga iiplans zam ndiyozenza in a different country. Then ke ngoku ke siyithethe ke into yoba hayi ke ndasose ndathenga nendlu. Then number 19, from your story times you once shared that you were married for 2 seconds. Guys niyahlekisa ngabantu. For 2 seconds what happened? Kwageza indoda kalo ndabuya guys. Kwageza indoda ndabuya. Yes guys, I was married for 2 seconds literally. And then I think mna no guy guys saye satlasha kwaye kwacaba hayi akho nto sivana ngayo yonke into sana itshona le and which makes me ke ngokuba mandizicompromise ubumna bam. And the worst one guys ends banqomba ithi ndithatha impahla zam sana imithwalana yam imigodlwana yam ndiyicuthe ndigoduke. It was the fact that now he did not love my daughter or he did not like my daughter. He wanted my daughter to be sent away. Now I have to convince him otherwise that we need to stay with my daughter as well as we are staying with your sons. That was the worst one guys. I was like, I quit, I'm out. And then number 20, would you get married again? Yes guys, of course I would get married over and over and over again guys. Xa umuntu sandirhubela guys, divorce and move on. Phume ngapha ungene ngapha. Guys, I would get married to someone who knows what he wants, to a matured person, to a person who will treat me the way I want to be treated, guys. A person who will value me, the person who will take me as I am with whatever that I'm coming with, guys. I don't want someone to change me. I don't want someone to change me. Ndikhumbula guys, sekemane ndiphathele ilokhwe sana ezinde zabantu abadala banesizothe sana eziwunguzelayo nqoba yo guys, this is not me. Istyle ayisindim. Yes, they are expensive, but istyle. Ndiworried ngestyle because that is not me. Andiziboni phakla lokhwe sana. Andiphathele ilokhwe ezindilisekileyo. Guys, amadoda. Yeah. 21. What do you do for a living? Is it what you wanted or first choice? Guys, I don't know why I expected this question to be the first question or second question. Guys, I am a professional educator. Ndikufundele guys ukuba educator andikunkatsheli andikuthwaselanga. It was not a calling or a coincidence or whatever it is. I am an educator by profession. I am qualified. And then no, it was not my first choice, guys. My first choice was to be an actress. So unfortunately, my sister and my mother, they set me down and they told me, late. And what's gonna happen? Njengoba i-career yento ye-acting ingena long lifespan, uzokwenzani uzothini xa sowumakhulu or what and what. So they advised me that, you know what, acting ungayenza nje as mhlawumbi i-hobby or something of that sort, but you can't rely on acting. So yeah guys, so I ended up change acting. And then 22, which is the last question, where do you see yourself in the next 2 years? Guys, ndizibona eParis. Guys, anina idea yam sana. In the next 2 years sana ndizibona ndiyi-billionaire. Never. Ndizibona sana ndihlala kwi-double story yam sana, ndihlala ndivuke ekuseni ndinxiba igawuni yam emhlophe ndihlale phaa sana ndibuke ilizwe in an upper perspective. Ndizibona sana ndineeyimali zam. having my own money. Ngizibona ngidriver iFerrari, guys, and that car sana ezidrivayo le intoni konje Miyani or what car sana ndizibona ndinalo moto leyo, guys. Ndizibona ndikhuphi English ngempumlo. You know, I just put that. Ndizibona ndilapho sana. Ndizibona ndilapho kwi next 2 years. I know it's not realistic, but guys, now that's where I'm seeing myself. Kulapho ndizibona khona, ndizibona ndine helper, guys. Ndizibona abantwana bam bekwi-private schools. Guys, mna ndizibona ndi-rich. Sana ndimbona kwa YouTube lowo sana more than 100k followers sana in the next 2 years to come. Yay, mna ndizibona ndi-rich shem. Ndizibona ndi-rich and ndizibona ndine-businesses, guys. Ndizibona ndine-businesses. I see myself very wealthy. Andiziboni kwalapha sana, ndizibona ndi-rich ngeyona ndlela. Ndinxiba oogushi, ndi-unboxa ilanto i-luxury, ndisithi guys, mna shem ngeke. Yo. Guys, hayi ndizibona ndihlala kwi-glass house. Anyway, guys, if you watch up until this far, it means the video was popping. So why don't you just give it a thumbs up? Subscribe, guys. Like, comment, and share, guys. See you on the next one. Love you loads, Kesana. With God's love never fails. Bye.
Like she